Hey, this is John from Turbot. If you're looking for quick demos of Steampipe, you're in the right place. With Steampipe's exec plugin, you can write SQL queries that run commands on local or remote hosts and return results in one or more rows. Here's a simple example. When a command produces multiple lines of output, you get multiple rows. You can also use the exec command table to bring an entire file into a column. These examples send commands to the local system, but you can also send commands to remote hosts. Let's look at an example of how that's configured. The exec local connection, with no arguments, targets the local system. Exec remote Linux sets up an SSH connection to a remote Linux host. Now we can query either the remote or the local connection. This is local, and this is remote. But wait, there's more. Steampipe's standard way of aggregating connections works here too. This is an aggregator for both exec local and exec remote Linux. Now we can query for the uname of both hosts. You can do this with Linux using SSH or Windows with WinRM. It works through bastions and proxies. We've made good use of the exec plugin in the new Docker compliance mod, which provides a benchmark for Docker CIS 1.6. The benchmark uses the Docker plugin to query the Docker layer and the exec plugin to query the OS layer. Here's the definition of a control that checks permissions on the Docker sock file. And this is the query behind the control. It uses the exec plugin to run the stat command on either a Linux or Darwin host. And then it checks the output for the expected value of 660. And that's the exec plugin in a nutshell. Use it to create a SQL facade over the universe of shell commands, then weave the outputs into queries and benchmarks. Thanks for watching. If you want to try Steampipe for yourself, download it for free today at steampipe.io. See the video description for links and details.